Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Pisano. Today we're going to do opt art using line and color. As you can see, we have different colors and shading so that it makes it pop out at you. Also, you can use color pencil, and this would be the same thing. You would use it light and then go dark. So this right here is more like a wormhole, and then this right here can be that way too. Most times they say kind of cones or tunnels. So here we go. So I'm going to start out here, take that off with a white piece of paper. You need a pencil. And as you can see on this one, I just drew a couple lines. So I'm going to go ahead and start here. And it doesn't matter where you start. And so I have 1, 2, 3, I have 4 lines. Next, you are going to use a marker, and I want you to outline these lines that you just did. And it is okay if you go off and it's not precise. You can always erase them. And most of them will be covered up. As you can see, I went off of them, but it's okay. All right, so when you look at this one here, you'll notice that we have the curved lines. So with that, I am going to just do a little curve. So if you give it a little angle. And if you have to move your paper a certain way to make it feel comfortable, then please do it. All right, so there we go, we have 1. Then I can go ahead and let's start. I'm gonna turn this over and you can do the curved lines in 2 different directions, as you can see that I did on this one. And this one has went off, but there we go. Okay. And we'll do another one here. And try to keep these the same space if possible. There we go. All right, so we'll keep doing this. And if you'd like, you can do this in pencil. There we go. All right, so I have these like this. I do have an extra one here that I already kind of started on. So, as you can see, I'm going to put this here like this. We have the different colors here. And I have some shaded already. So I'm going to show you on this one so you can see. I'm using markers. On this one, I am going to use different greens, and I use yellow when I do the green. So here I go. I'm going to start off with the yellow here. So here we are. So I am going to, and I do like that yellow next to the blue, so depending on what color, I want that one to be a little bit more solid, and then maybe as it comes up here, you'll see a little bit of the white. And that is your choice. You don't have to have any of that white showing, but we have just a little bit there. So we have the yellow. As you can see, I have pink, green, or no, blue and yellow. So then I am going to take a dim green. Let's see what that one looks like. Oh, that one's really light. So, we're not going to see too much on that one. No. Okay. So I'll take that one away. I am going to do an emerald. Put that on that side. So I start off with the light color, and then you go to the second color, as you guys can see. And that one is just a little bit darker. I like to go the shape of the object. Here we go. And then, I'm not sure if this green's a little bit darker or not. Oh, it is. Okay, there we go. And as you can see, I have the darker green, which I put right on the edge. There we go. And then sometimes if that isn't dark enough, I can take a cool gray and push that in there a little bit too. That's the fun thing with markers. You just try to get, and I can even do, which would be nice, would be a blue. And that makes it really dark and show that depth. And then I think I want to put this guy out just a little bit more. And I can use yellow if I want, and just go like that. So there you have it. You guys can see that it is starting to come together. Your finished project will look like this, but as you can see, this one is already starting to look like that. All right, I hope you guys have fun and just experiment with this. It's a fun project. All right, bye-bye.